Here's a review on the Samsung silicone cover with ring for your Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4. And you can see how the case here looks. Again, it has the ring here. Let me go ahead and pull this off first. And again, it's silicone, and you can see how this is here with the ring. And it's kind of a rubbery plastic. It's silicone. It's good quality. It's not like hard plastic. And the same thing on the bottom here. Okay, you got the Samsung logo here. Also take note, you have two little adhesives here. Honestly, I don't even think you need to use these. I've been using this phone for like a week now with this case without even using that, and it doesn't slide off or nothing, okay? Anyway, I'll go ahead and put this on and show you exactly how to use the adhesive on there as well. So first thing is we're going to go ahead and pop this on. So we're going to pop it on the front side or the top part first. And I'm going to go ahead and pop it in like this. And then with this right here, just make sure that this part is down. Okay, and then I'll go ahead and use the adhesive now. So I'll take these little things off right there. It's a little sticky now. And now what I'm going to do is put it, make sure that this part is down. And in this bottom piece here, it can go right onto the bottom right here. So just pop it in there. Just like that. And now we're going to go ahead and pop this on the back. Now when you pop it on there, just make sure you slide it all the way up and just press it. So make sure the adhesive like sticks. And voila. Okay, so you got the ring right there. And it's just, it doesn't like turn or nothing, or it's not a kickstand. It's just a ring. And you can see the volume rockers are covered here. The power button is exposed. Of course, the camera lens, the flash hole, everything is in line. Speakers, charging port, and whatnot. And I'll give you a better look at this. Of course, it comes in a bunch of different colors. I think I got the blue here. So there you go.